Okay, Ford guys, wise guys, working on my 1970 Ford Mustang. I'm behind the right front wheel. I've removed the front fender completely. I'm looking underneath here, right here. This square hole is supposed to take this odd looking fastener. You're supposed to stick it up here, turn it around with your little finger somehow, and it's supposed to stay there whilst then you put your fender back up and you put a bolt through the bottom of the fender into that little fitting I just showed you. Well, I don't know what asshole at Ford Motor Company thought of this idea, but there is just no way you can get this square fitting, fixture, whatever you want to call it, into this slightly smaller hole, and then it's supposed to hold itself in there somehow. Forget it. So we're going to do a modification, and I'm going to put something else in there, and I'll do a part 2 of the video in a second here. Hang on.